Hello everybody, welcome. I've got something nice for you today. Oh yes, I'm going to be doing pork chops glazed in a honey and garlic sauce. Oh yes, going to be delicious. Let me show you what we're going to do. Right, I've got my pork chops. I've had them out room temperature, patted them down. I've just got to salt them. I've got a bit of salt and pepper, a bit of garlic. I've got a quarter of a cup of honey, just a knob of butter, one diced onion and a little bit of chicken stock, which I'll probably put about the same amount in as the honey. Thereabouts. So first things first, it's quite simple. I'm hoping, anyway. I'm going to salt these on the one side, and we want to get these in the pan. Get them all nice and brown before we do anything else. We only use the basic salt. I'll do like that sea salt and that, and the lad don't. I think it's too strong, so I just buy the normal salt. Get pepper on. And I'll season the other side when this side is frying up, which we're going to get the pan on about now. I bought this pan today. I got it from Tesco. I was looking one of them for a lid in. I wanted a better one, but I couldn't get one really. That's just a Tesco basic one. But it was in the sale, reduced to clear, £9.50. So that was quite good. And I also got a thing for £9.50 as well, which I haven't opened it yet. It was one of them. So I got one of them as well. I've got loads of stuff up there for like £9.50 reduced to clear. I don't know why. It's a stock pot. So that'll do quite a lot of things in boiling potatoes and all that for the money. So anyway, I'm thinking I'm going to be using today. I'll probably break that lid within 5 minutes. Watch. I'm going to use, if I can open it, sesame seed oil for a change. I've had this ages. I think I've only ever used it once. I haven't even used it. Oh, we have. I'm going to use sesame seed for a change. Just a bit in the bottom, not too much. We'll get that heated up. Now we're going to get the chops in. We want to get them nice and brown on the one side and then flip them over. Maybe 4 or 5 minutes or something. If I can get them all in. I've got 4. They used to be cheap, these chops are about £4 now. We just want to let them do the thing, we don't want to do it too quick. I'll salt this side as well while they're up and do it. And some pepper. Get them nice and brown on each side first. Right, I'm going to turn them over. Oh yes. About another 4 minutes on the other side. Looking nice. They've got to go back in, yes. So, looking nice. Nice and slow. Let them do their thing for a few minutes. Okay, they're browned on both sides. I've just flipped them and checked. Just turn that down a bit now. Lovely. Get them out. Nice and simple, this one. You want to keep all that goodness in the pan. Keep all that fats and everything in there. Oh yes. There they are for a minute. They've got to go back in a bit. Now you want to get your knob of butter in. You don't need a load. I just took a knob and don't worry, that's why I've turned it down. I don't want the butter melting. Don't want the butter burning. I want it melting, don't I? And I'm going to get my onions in now. We're going to fry them up for a couple of minutes. And then we're going to get the garlic in. Get all this goodness together, look at this. You know what, Rox? Smell the food, smell the meat, see you in here, are you? Look at it all. Oh yes, well I'm going to get a bit of garlic in now. Just to taste with your garlic. I might put 2 tablespoons in, I think. 2 teaspoons. I'm only using this one. I want to get rid of it, it's nearly all gone. I have got some fresh, but I'm using that. Give that 30 seconds or so. Oh. And I want about 1/4 cup of chicken stock. Give or take, might have to put a little bit more, but we'll see. And pour that in. Then I want to get my honey in. 1/4 cup of honey. Get in there. Smelling nice already, this is. And get that a mix. And we're going to bring it to the boil. Nice and slow. It's just started boiling now. So now, you want to get your chops back in. And you want to let them do until all of the juice has gone and dissolved. To get that nice sticky honey look. Put the lid on. And that's what I wanted, one of these, so for a lid. And put that down on low. You know what? I was just thinking I might put a little bit of red wine vinegar in, just a drop. Just to give it that extra bit of flavour. I'm gonna, yes. There we go. And then just give it another quick stir. Ooh. Food, glorious food. Well, let's have a look. Oh yeah, look at that stickiness coming now, look. Look at all that stickiness coming. Flip them over in a bit. I'm just going to do some algae chips with it and a bit of salad, that's all. Right guys, shall we have a look how it's getting on? Don't think it's quite done yet, but we'll have a look. Oh yes. Oh yes. Turn it over. Oh, look at that beauty, look. Look at it. Want it gone a bit more, want it nice and gloopy, as they say. Oh yes. Right guys, I'm going to have a check. Oh, that's it. That's it now, they're done. Turn them off. Just starting to burn a little bit, don't want that. Looking nice. Oh yes, turn that off now. Oh, yes, yes, yes. All that gooiness, look at that. Oh, that's the best one, look at that one there. I might have that one. And that one's the best one. Look at them two. They're the ones, ain't they? They're the ones. Right, chips will be a couple of minutes. We'll dish up. Look at that. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Delicious. Yes, I just like to put a bit of lettuce and tomato on the side. And we'll get these sticky pork chops out. Oh, look at them. You see that? They're the better ones, obviously. We'll have to have a better one each. Yummy. Look at all that. Right, put my chips on and up to the table. There we go. Simple and then delicious. So, what do we think? So we can get to show you them. Yummy. Tell you what I do need. Want a little bit of coleslaw. On the side of my plate. Right then, let me show you closer up. So there we go. Look at them. Honey and garlic. Oh yes. Bit of coleslaw. Just some lettuce, cucumber and tomatoes. And chips. Right, let's tuck in. That's not coming on today. Let's have a look at one of these chops. What do you think, Bab? That's very nice, isn't it? Very nice. Oh yes. Let's try a bit of the fat. I'm happy. Oh yes, I'm happy. I'm happy. Right, I'm going to go and eat it before it gets cold. Getting every last bit off this bone. Bit of a bone. Here's a cloth. There's a cloth there. Oh. So, there we go. Honey and garlic. Pork chops. Delicious. Simple to do. Don't take long at all. When you mark it out of 10, Bab? 8. Now I'd give it an 8. I'll probably go higher. I'll probably go a 9. I'll probably go 9, I would. I've done them before, I do like them. But say, there you go, something simple, delicious. I hope you enjoyed. Try it, easy. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.